Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars, a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Could Elon Musk help Doge and validate its losses for all it's worth? Dogecoin goes back to being just a meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Its only value comes from the fact that Elon Musk endorsed it in his way. Well, that is how Doge gained any semblance of validation and usefulness. The token has had quite a poor performance of late. But now, it seems like Elon Musk can't save it from bears. Elon and Twitter saved Dogecoin. The 16% rally of 5 April was the biggest single-day rise that Dogecoin registered in over 4 months. Now, since Dogecoin isn't making any stellar advancement on the developmental front, the only possible reason which could have triggered the rise seems to be Elon Musk's Twitter development. The Doge father being made a member of Twitter's board of directors might have been an indirect trigger for the coin. Regardless, in a single shot, the coin managed to recover all the losses witnessed throughout 2022. As a matter of fact, within 24 hours, over 120k Doge holders who had been noting losses since December 2021 finally noticed profit. Also to be noted that, while Doge was still falling around the end of January, about 30% of the time, most of them are still not able to withdraw coins to third-party wallets. During its most recent earnings call, the company also revealed that it would start expanding cryptocurrency trading internationally in 2022, claiming that the crypto economy has immense potential. And second news to date, check these Ukraine NFT projects against the Russian invasion. Individual Ukrainian NFT artists. In addition to the established NFT projects above, Ukraine is also home to a large number of independent NFT artists. Details about some of these independent artists have been shared by the NFT platform Orca, while a community-curated list of artists has been shared by Nick Kalyani, an NFT collector and founder of the Web3 development organization Decentrology. Non-fungible token, NFT, art projects made in support of Ukraine have seen a surge in interest lately, with many artists both in Ukraine and elsewhere jumping on the chance to contribute to the cause. To help readers get an overview of the many projects that now exist where proceeds go to support Ukrainian people in various ways, here is our list of some of the Ukraine-related NFT projects to date. Legendary boxer Vladimir Klitschko, the brother of Kyiv mayor Vitaly Klitschko, has launched an NFT collection called Vandals for Ukraine. Wiztex Vladimir Klitschko on the OpenSea marketplace stayed his homeland. The proceeds from the sale will go to Red Cross Ukraine and UNICEF. Prices started at 0.04 United States dollars 104. The Ukrainidao, a decentralized autonomous organization created by a member of Russian feminist punk group Pussy Riot and NFT collectives Triple Labs and Pleaserdao, auctioned off an NFT depicting a Ukrainian flag for ETH 2,258 United States dollars 5.9 meters on March 2nd. The auction is now over, but supporters are still invited to donate directly to ukrainidao.eth. Ukrainian news outlets Ukrainska Pravda, Novoye Vremya and Romitsk, in collaboration with the NFT platform Volt, is offering exclusive content from inside Ukraine behind an NFT-powered paywall. The project is described as a joint fundraiser in an effort to help fund ongoing efforts to deliver reporting on the Russian invasion. The independent Kyiv-based NFT artist Chernoy Rechka said on the day the war broke out that her third NFT drop on the object platform had been sold out, although more NFTs have been added later. My warmest hugs and biggest gratitude to my wonderful collectors who providing me safety in these complicated times, she added in an update on March 9th. Is high. He also outlined that he still owns and has no plans of selling his Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. And second news today is Elon Musk won't sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoins as inflation soars and recession risk grows. Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk has reiterated his commitment to holding his stack of Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Dogecoin, Doge, when preaching to his more than 77 meters Twitter followers about ways to hedge against inflation. In a recent Twitter post, Musk asked the Twitter community to share their thoughts about the probable inflation rate over the next few years. He then added that the inflation pressure is already affecting Tesla and SpaceX, as prices of raw materials keep rising. In response, Bitcoin bull and MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor speculated that United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, while asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify, Saylor added. Adding to that, Musk said that it is usually better to own physical objects or stock in companies that make good products than fiat currencies when inflation is high. And with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the dogelonmars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelonmars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelonmars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelonmars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelonmars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.00000600 to $0.00000709 for 2027. Dogelonmars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelonmars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.00001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.00000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelonmars, an important basic analysis. In terms of industry interests, the token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoin network develops, efficient programmable payment, logistics and storage options are being offered. There is a high chance that the average Elon price will rise to around $0.00001354 by 2029 if the idea attracts more reach. For 2029, it could end up with a high price of $0.00001543 with a low price. The level is $0.00001318.